Well, you can tell the world you never was my girl. You can burn my clothes and I'm gone. Or you can tell my friends you want your food on bed and laugh and joke about me on the phone. You can tell my arms go back into the fall. You can tell my feet to hit the floor. Or you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips you won't be reaching out for me no more. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, and just don't think it understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, you might know what to do to stand. You know. You can tell your mom I moved to Arkansas. You can tell my doctor by my leg. Or tell you about a cliff, especially tell my lips you never really liked me anyway. I'll tell you where to reach, till anything you please, except for already know I'm not okay. Oh, you can tell my eyes, so watch it for my mind. He might be walking out for you today. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, just don't think it understand. If you can tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, keep my low going to the stand. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, just don't think it understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill us, man. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, just don't think it understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill us, man.